What up, Gunna Gang? It's your boy, Corona Boy Thirds, back again with another mother freaking video. And guess what, Gunna Gang? Once again, we got packages. It's box opening time, y'all. Check this out, man. I am super stoked about this stuff. I've been getting a couple things in the mail. Of course, the other day, me and wifey went to Walmart to get the girls some Valentine's Day presents, and I had to pick up myself some little electronics myself. Well, a little electronics. So I want to share with y'all, Gunna Gang, exactly what your boy got. Check this out right here. Wow, look. Those two right there, right? Now, I remember when I showed y'all that I got my little, and I don't know why, I got my tripod in the way right here. Let me just move that real quick. But I remember when I told y'all that I got my Scorpion Pixel Pal, right? And I ordered Raiden with them, but instead of Raiden, they sent me goddamn Link, bruh. They sent me Link. And guess what? I already got Link. So, when I hit them up with an email, Gunna Gang, and guess what? They sent me back for free. Hopefully, it's my Raiden that I need. They told me don't worry about having to repay or nothing like that. I told y'all, I said if they send it back, I'm gonna do a giveaway, right? So, what I'm gonna do is offer, somehow I'm gonna try to figure it out. So y'all stay tuned. Maybe one of these games or something, we'll do a little giveaway or something like that. I don't know. We'll see how to do it. But I wanna give away one of these Link Pixel Pals, just in case somebody might want it. If not, I'll gladly keep it myself because I love my freaking Pixel Pals. So, that being said, let's go ahead and replenish and see if we got the right one, all right? All right, I got my handy dandy right here. Let's see what I got here. It's always tough doing a box opening with one freaking hand, man. And I gotta figure out how to keep my eye on this freaking phone because I don't use my camera. I use a camera on my phone, but y'all stay tuned because I got some other stuff to show y'all, all right? So, let's go ahead and, this way? This way. We'll do it this way. No, we'll do it this way right here, okay? Go ahead and slice this real quick. Slice. It should be nice and sharp. I sharpened it the other day. Slice that there. Slice that there. Sometimes when you just do the two sides, then you can just kind of open up that side right there. All right, so let's see if they sent me the right one that I need to have. Oh snap, they sent me two, bruh. They sent me two. Wow, they replaced my whole order, bruh. So y'all know what this means, Gunna Gang. I have Scorpion over there that I really wanted and a new Scorpion right here. Two giveaways for y'all is what it's gonna be. That's what it is, man. That's what I'm talking about, bruh. So this company, this PDP, yeah, PDP. Maybe I'll put the link in the description below. This company is actually pretty cool, man. They hooked your boy back up, whole new fresh for free. I got me two new Pixel Pals, bruh. And these things are so cool because see how it says right here, I light up? So you could put the batteries in the back and these things will light up and it looks real cool in the dark, man. It looks real cool. Let's open up. Let's open them up and see what we got. All right, Gunna Gang, I'm so happy with this. This company has some good customer service, man. They messed up my first order. I thought they were just gonna send me Raiden instead, but they replaced the whole freaking order, man. I emailed them and told them, I said, y'all just didn't send me the Raiden, y'all sent me the freaking Link instead, but they went on ahead and sent this little freaking sticker. Is tough right here, man. I don't wanna, I cut my nails last night, so they sent back the whole order, man. I'm happy, bro. That's good customer service. Okay, all right, y'all, here we go. Come on, dang it. Look at this right here, bro. Look at Raiden, bro. That dude is tight, man. See, so on the back here, you can put the little AAA batteries back there. Some of them have a USB, or you could plug into the USB. I didn't get the one with USB, just the battery. But, bro, look at this thing, man. Raiden. Look at him, man. I cannot wait until freaking when it gets dark and I'm gonna freaking throw some batteries in there, turn on the lights, and show y'all the little display. Right? Okay, so moving on. I'm not gonna open up the Scorpion. I'm gonna keep that one, let y'all open that one up whenever the time comes, all right? So, along with Raiden, right? Check this one out, man. Check this out, all right? So this one should be a lot easier to open. All I gotta do is, I could actually just probably rip this right here, this perforated line right here. that there. Y'all ready for this one? I'm real excited about this, man. I'm so excited about this. Check this out. Yes! I gotta give a shout out to my dude. One of the reasons why I got started making YouTube videos like how I do much more often. Well, not that much more often, but my dude, his name is jclevii. I'm gonna leave a link to his page down below. He does a lot of gaming. He does streaming on Twitch, and he's trying to get back into his YouTube since he's been doing so much streaming. But I saw him the other day get a microphone, and I think his is the same company, but it's a different kind of microphone for his new camera and everything. He got a whole package. His package was dope, bro. And I like the way he had his little setup or whatever. So I'm super excited about this. Also, Gunner Gang, I have, now this isn't anything new that I have, but I have me a Nikon or however you say that, DSLR camera right here. I use this camera right here, Gunner Gang, to make me and my wife's Miracle Berry challenge with the little Miracle Berry pill. You eat the pill and it makes most of your sour foods taste sweet. It makes all your food taste better, bro. Y'all gotta check that one out too. I'll be posting that video pretty soon. I want y'all to check that out. But this microphone is supposed to go to this camera here. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and I'm gonna see how good the microphone actually works, all right? Y'all rock with your boy. All right, y'all, so this right here is my Nikon camera, right? I think I tried to vlog a little bit with this camera, but I don't know. I want to start using this camera to see what it's gonna be like with vlogging. Right now, we're using it without the microphone. I'm gonna come down here to my turtle, Terry. I'm gonna come down here to his tank. I wanna hear how the microphone and everything sounds. Y'all hear how echoey? I know it kind of sounds kind of echoey in here, but we're gonna check this out. Listen to this.
Hi, Joe. Get me out of here. Get me out. I want to chill with you.
I hear the water coming down. Look at Terry, bro. All right, Gunner Gang, so now that we got that situated right there, I'm gonna go back upstairs, add this microphone to my camera, and we're gonna see exactly how it sounds, okay? We're gonna do a sound test, just to test it, all right? Appreciate y'all for checking it, boy. By the way, if you haven't yet, comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Always stay updated every time I upload a brand new video. Put them comments in the comment section below, and hit a thumbs up, man. Y'all can let me know if y'all wanna see me do some kind of reactions. Y'all ain't really been letting me know much lately, because I know I haven't really been active on this page. Any video games, any kind of games y'all think I should try out, or if y'all wanna see or something, I don't know, man. Let me know, Gunner Gang. That's what Gunner Gang stands for, gaming and reactions. Y'all let me know about some new games that's come out. Let me know about some reactions y'all want to see me react to. Holla at your boy. Alright, Gunner Gang, so I'm getting ready to open up my brand new microphone. I'm so super excited about this thing, bro. I want to see how much it actually adds to the effect, the audio. I saw a video on YouTube today that said most videos that don't get that many views, it's because the audio was jacked up on it. I don't know if I necessarily believe that. I think you could have some jacked up audio and you can still have some good videos and get a lot of views, man. Wow, look at this thing, man. Look at this bad boy right here, bro. I don't know if I'm actually use this furry thing up here. I think it might get in the way of my lens. Whoa. That over there somewhere. Look at this furry thing, bro. And then I'm pretty sure you can just kind of take this off. Wingardium Leviosa.
Oh, Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa. I don't know if did I say that right? So I'm pretty sure I didn't break it. Can I just take this off? Should be able to just take this right off, right? What if I break it, man? I don't think I'm gonna take that off. Just do it, man. Just take it off. There we go. Look, this is it right here. This is the microphone, bro. And this is just a wind guard right here. I don't like this fur. I want it without the fur, man. The fur looks like it's falling all over the place and stuff. So we're gonna try it out. Maybe I'll try it out outside too. So you take this right here, put this here and here. I'm not even looking at no instructions. I'm just so excited to use it. I'm just throwing it together. That there like that. Right here, you take this little, I think this is a 1/4 inch something, I don't know what kind of plug this is, but it's like an aux cable, no battery needed, right? No battery needed. So right here, I'm gonna take this little part right here, stick this up here, let me loosen this up first real quick. Throw that up there on top of the mount so I have somewhere to put it. I can tighten it down so make sure it don't fall out. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this aux cord and plug it in right here on the side here. Alright, so now we're gonna see how this microphone sounds. Y'all ready? Alright, here we go. Alright, y'all, here we go. I got the new microphone on here. I wanna see how good it sounds. We're gonna go back downstairs, check out Terry so we can see how that sounds down there. And then maybe we'll go outside in the wind a little bit with and without the microphone, just so we can see how that sounds too. I hope my focus is good. Let's go over here and listen to Terry real quick and see how it sounds. Okay, Gunner Gang, we're gonna step outside real quick, check out this mic, see how this mic sounds outside without just to test it, all right? Appreciate y'all for checking it, boy. By the way, if you haven't yet, comment, like, there ain't no wind out here. It's a nice day out here today, man. So this doesn't look too bad, bruh, up here. I've been recording that whole time up here, I don't even know. So this don't look too bad just hanging up there, man. That don't look too bad. Let me see once I put it on. Now look how that looks with that little freaking puff ball on the top of it. And I gotta get me, I have a tripod here, but I don't use this tripod because a little part right there that you screw right there, you screw the camera on top of it, and this thing kind of moved, that metal screw part just moves around, so I don't really use it at all. But I did get me a new tripod, which is supposed to be for my GoPro Hero 7. Y'all see that handy dandy nanny nanny there, you know what I'm saying? So I'm getting ready to open this up with y'all real quick, Gunner Gang. Y'all see that? All kinds of different goodies that I got here today. Rip this right here on the bottom right here. Rip that, and open it from the bottom here. Look at this thing, bruh. This thing is tight, man. I love this box though. I love the box it came in. This is cool, man. This goes hard right here, man. This part here, you can open this part right here. Why is it not opening? Okay, maybe I should try the other side. So the good thing about this that I have, yep, remove. Okay, check this out. Good thing about this, I have that already. See, here it is right here. So I could just take this, but the only thing about it, when I hook this up here, I don't have that pole to go, I don't have a little pole to go through. So I can put this here, screw that into there, like so. And then this right here, then I can screw this on top of here. With this like this, I don't need this other tripod that I spent like 70 bucks on. I'll probably take that back. Well, I don't know, because this is kind of wobbly here. I don't like how that's wobbly. See how that part just comes right off of there? That's why maybe I will keep that tripod. That's why I don't use this tripod on the camera. So yeah, I got me a new GoPro. I'm gonna be working with this one a little bit later. I'm pretty sure I gotta charge that battery up before I use it. I love how it comes right here in this case like this too. It's got an automatic little, okay, that does come off like that right here. And then I can just take my GoPro out like this. Take that GoPro out just like that. Maybe I could set this up, you know what I'm saying, somewhere, do some pranks on the wifey or something like that. Who knows? Who knows, man? I'm gonna look at the directions first before I do, but I at least want to show y'all what I got, man. I got me a cool little GoPro. Maybe I'll do it before and after so y'all can see the differences. But I just want to show y'all I got some new stuff, Gunner Gang. I just want to show y'all I got some new stuff. So anyway, Gunner Gang, here is a little display of all the good stuff that I got right here. Just wanted to show this with y'all. Hey man, I really appreciate y'all rocking with me and seeing this stuff that I got here. If y'all like when I do my box openings, which probably won't matter because I love to do them and I like to do them anyway. But if y'all like it, hit that thumbs up, bruh. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Let me know if you like the good little stuff I got. Y'all be staying tuned because I may be doing a giveaway soon sometime here. I definitely want to do one. I just got to think about how exactly I'm going to do it. Maybe on a live stream or something. I don't know. We'll see how we get it done. But Gunner Gang, I want to thank you for rocking with your boy. It's your boy, Corona Boy, Thirst GNR. Again, with another video, hit that comment, like, subscribe, bell notification, just so you can stay updated. Every time I upload a brand new video, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, y'all. I appreciate it, man. It's your boy, Corona Boy, Thirst GNR, and I'm out of here. Yeah!